Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to learn how to install Kali Linux version 2023 in our VirtualBox. So let's get some basic minimum requirements. We need 2 GB of RAM, 4 GB of RAM is recommended, 20 GB of free disk space, and 1 core CPU. 2 is recommended. Kali Linux virtual machine ISO and VirtualBox and some extension pack. So after the minimum basic requirements, you need to install VirtualBox. So the VirtualBox link is given below in the description. You can download through it. So you need to install latest version of VirtualBox. After that, we need to download Kali Linux ISO, that is disk image. You can download it from kalilinux.org. I will provide the link below in the description. So you need to choose the installer image. There is two options, one is installer image and one is virtual machine image. So we need to download installer image because virtual machine is already installed in our system. So here are different type of option given below. We have installer, one is 64-bit and one is 32-bit. We need to choose 64-bit. And after that we need to download installer pack. So my installer pack is going in download section. It is downloading. After you finish downloading the ISO image of a Kali Linux, let's move to the virtual machine. Okay, let me open the virtual machine. So we need to create a new virtual machine. Just click on the new section and we need to edit some basic things. In the name we need to write Kali Linux. You can write anything, but I'm writing Kali Linux 2023 version. So we need to choose file for the ISO image. So it is just basic for the virtual machine storage, and we need to choose ISO file. Just choose the ISO that we have recently downloaded, click on open and just select it. After that we need to select our Linux based system. So our Linux based system is Debian. After that, let's check some basic requirements. So we need to manage some processor and device memory. Just manage the device memory and processor according to your system. If your system is low end PC, just select up to green section, or if your PC is too high end PC, you can have multiple processors so your Kali Linux works properly. After that, let's give some disk space to our Kali Linux. So if you have more storage, you can give a lot of storage. As you have low end PC, you can give minimum, that is 20 GB of space. After that, our Kali Linux system is ready to start. After that, let's check some basic settings. We need to check. After that, click on the display section and pull the bar up to last, and let's check some basic things like system requirements, all are right, correct. Then press OK. After that, we are ready to install our operating system. So just press on start. After that, we can see some bootloader setting of a Kali Linux. So we have different options here. We have graphical install and install. Just press on the graphical install. Let me forward this video. After that, we need to choose the language of our Kali Linux. If you want another language, just click on it. I have choose English language, so choose your country. You can choose any country, just it for some basic documental purpose. So we need to name our system. So I am going to name my system Kali. So we need to connect our network. Just full name of the user. We need to name our Kali Linux. Just enter your username. After that, we need to set password. Just type encrypted password, a strong password. Then after, we have to choose the region. Let me forward this video again. So we need to create a partition for our Kali Linux, as our partition is already set in our virtual machine. So choose the entire disk. After that, click on continue button. So let's wait for some while. So continue all file in one partition, then continue, click on continue. After that, it will ask for formatting your partition. Just click continue and go on, and don't forget to like this video. So our system is already installed. So let's click on continue. Let's wait for some while. Okay, we have different option here. Install Jira bootloader. It will ask for Jira bootloader. When you start your virtual machine, it will show some bootloading of a Kali Linux. So our installation is finally completed. So we need to reboot our Kali Linux and again log in. So you can see our Kali Linux is already installed and ready to go. So just enter your username that you have already set and just enter your password that we have done in last part. So our Kali Linux is ready to go. You can see we can use various of tool in Kali Linux. So our Kali Linux, you can see it in a full screen. So our Kali Linux is ready to go. So you can use various of tools here. You can see all tools are already installed. So this much for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, you like the video and you completely know whole procedure for installing Kali Linux. So this was basic things for installing Kali Linux. Thank you so much. Peace out.